use the quick selection tool. So let's go ahead and download the files. For period 1, you have these 2 images. Period 2, period 3, period 4, 1, 2, 6, and 8, right? So the most part, you guys have similar images, but they're different. So let's go ahead and we'll take period 1 image. You're going to take, once you download, take it and drag it to Photoshop. It's going to open up here. If your workspace looks different than mine, you're going to go to Window, Workspace, and say Reset Essentials. And then this is how it should look, okay? Now, once you reset your essentials, we do need to make a copy of this layer because we never want to work off the original. So to make a copy or duplicate a layer, you're going to drag this image or this layer onto your Create New Layer icon or press Command J on your keyboard. Once you do that, you're going to remove the background layer. So unview it. Go to the Quick Selection tool, which is the 4th one. This is Quick Selection tool. And you're going to use the brush. I'm going to make a little bigger of a brush and pass it around the area you need. Okay? Most part, we got everything here. To get the needy parts, the little parts here, it's too big of a brush. I will also zoom in using the zoom tool, zooming in, and now go back to the quick selection tool, make my brush smaller, and you can make it through here. I use my brackets, and I use the space bar. If you put your finger by the space bar, it's gonna make this. It's gonna make this the hand tool is going to appear, which was going to let you move around the document. And you're going to just zoom in and try to get all the little parts that we didn't get at the first time around. Okay. Cleaning out your selection. Again, if you do too much, you press the space bar, or you could come here. If you press the Option key, you'll see that the Option key allows you to go back from the minus subtracting to your selection, or adding to your selection. So I'm subtracting this, and I'm going to go back and pass it one more time. So this tool is great if you want to select objects like family members, things. It will quickly select the area. You do have to manually do some work though, as you can tell. Here, you see how we actually zoomed in here. We actually have to select it. We're going to go to minus and select it out, making this a little smaller to make sure that we grab that out. Okay, looks good, looks good. Go back to plus, adding this all to your background. Minus, zoom out. Looks good. Oh, we forgot his pocket thing right here. Let's zoom in. W, go back to this. Okay, minus, minus, minus. We forgot the entire hand here. Shirt. We have too much, sorry. We have too much here. We're gonna zoom in. The zoom tool. The zoom tool is right here. Go back to the quick selection tool. Press Option. Sorry. Press Option to remove that extra, and go back to adding. Minusing. Okay. Now you're going to Command 0 to make sure you can see exactly everything. Make sure everything is selected. And we press Command C, Command V on your keyboard, and you'll see that it made a background copy of it. Okay? Then you're going to go to File, Save As, save it on your computer. Okay? You're going to put your name on it first. So say Inga. Where you want to save your desktop. And then save it. And say okay. Then it should appear somewhere here in your desktop. So if I go to my desktop, here it is, Inga Quick Select, right? There it is. You're gonna then drag this and drag it to your Google Documents for Google Classroom and upload it there for grading. All right, bye kiddo.